Welcome to BizFlow Tutorials video series on accounting integration. In this video, we will cover two key topics: integration with QuickBooks Desktop using the IIF file format, a proprietary QuickBooks format, and integration with other accounting platforms such as Sage, Xero, and NetSuite. Quick note before we start. Currently, BizFlow does not have automatic integrations with accounting platforms beyond QuickBooks. However, BizFlow has successfully supported data exports to NetSuite, which follows a structure similar to the IIF format. We'll walk you through how to import and export data, including account numbers and account mapping, for both QuickBooks Desktop and other platforms. QuickBooks Desktop integration. Let's begin. Navigate to BizFlow, go to Setup, Manage Chart of Accounts. In this section, everything remains the same. You'll find the option to import from QuickBooks on the Chart of Accounts screen. You will then map the accounts, similar to the process for QuickBooks Online. Important note: for QuickBooks Desktop, you do not need any online credentials for export. This is not required. Once your account mapping is complete, go to the Reports section. Select GL Entry Report. In the GL Entry Report, select your desired time frame, daily, monthly, or custom date range. Most users typically post data on a daily basis. If there are no discrepancies, the report will be ready for export. Note: this demo is in a sandbox environment, so discrepancies may appear. Important note on IIF file format. For QuickBooks Online, you post both credit and debit columns separately. For QuickBooks Desktop, QuickBooks requires a single net amount, credit minus debit, which is known as the IIF amount. This is what gets posted into QuickBooks Desktop. Once your GL entry report is finalized, click the button to export to IIF file. If there are discrepancies, the system will prevent the export. If everything is in order, the system will automatically export the report into a IIF format. Important note: the IIF file is not human readable. Save the file locally on the same desktop where QuickBooks Desktop is installed. This is mandatory. You cannot transfer the file and import it from another computer. Finally, open QuickBooks Desktop. Use the Import feature in QuickBooks Desktop to import the IIF file. That completes the integration process. Integration with other accounting platforms. Now let's move on to other accounting platforms such as NetSuite, Sage, Xero, and others. NetSuite integration. BizFlow has prior experience exporting data to NetSuite. If your accounting platform is NetSuite, we will work directly with your accounting team to ensure the data format is compatible. Unlike QuickBooks, which relies on account names, NetSuite works with account numbers. You will need to provide us with account name, account type, account number, and we will export your data accordingly in a format compatible with NetSuite. Other platforms. We are open to integrating with any accounting software. Depending on the platform, a one-time integration fee may apply. Most platforms either use a proprietary format or follow a structure similar to QuickBooks or NetSuite. Typically, most platforms prefer account numbers for mapping. This is more efficient and avoids naming conflicts. Final thoughts. QuickBooks is the most widely used accounting software among small businesses in the US and Canada. 99% of our customers use QuickBooks. We do have a few customers on NetSuite, and we have successfully worked with them. If you have any questions or need assistance with integrations, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team. Thank you for watching.